You can see, we're able to get free score, guys, with the mod. Like right there, adding Snap Score, and look at that, guys. We are getting free Snapchat score. Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to increase your Snapchat score unlimited amount of time, so you can literally get up to like 1,000,000 Snapchat score instantly. And the best part about this is that you don't have to like add anyone or spam anyone or anything like that, and you don't have to start any streaks with anybody or add celebrities or anything like that. So it's absolutely insane. It's going to be with this app right here called Snapchat Plus that I'm going to show you guys all how to get here in this video. And yeah, let me just go ahead and turn on my screen recording and show you guys. So screen recording is going to go live in 3, 2, 1. You guys should now see my iPhone screen. And the beauty of this is that this does work for both iOS and Android users. But we're going to be using this app right here called Snapchat Plus. Let me just open it up. So yeah, guys, as you guys can see, Snapchat Plus started successfully, developed by Phantom Mods at the developers. So yeah, it's the real app. Secretly screenshot without notifications, get unlimited score, spoof location, and more. So we're going to click OK, and as you can see, this is what the actual app looks like. There's a lot of cool features in it, but the main feature is that you can add unlimited score. So right now I have 15,000 score, but watch this, guys. You see that little add button? We're going to click it, and as you guys can see, it says adding Snap Score. Look at that, we now have 20,000. So it took us from 15,000 to 20,000, and we didn't have to do anything at all. Now we're going to go ahead now and open up the mod menu settings. As you guys can see, there's also these other mod menu settings that are not available in the real the original Snapchat app. So you can bypass screenshot detection, which means you can, screenshot stories without the other person knowing. You can spoof your location, send fake snaps, and recover lost streaks and a bunch of other cool things. And this is all done with the Snapchat Plus app, guys. So I'm going to go ahead now and show you in this video how to actually get this app installed, because it's not available on the App Store since it is like a tweaked app. But like I said, you can get it on both iOS and Android. So to actually get the app, before we can get it though, if you're on iOS, we just have to change like 2 settings really quick before you can install it. This is just to make sure that your device is compatible with it. So if you're on iOS, guys, open up your settings here, and you're going to want to scroll down a little bit and go to battery. Okay, so once you're in battery, you're going to see this option that says low power mode, and you're just going to want to make sure that you guys have this turned off like this. And yeah, just have it off, and then once you guys do that, you're going to want to scroll up and go to general. And then in general, you guys will scroll down and go to you will go to the about option, and just make sure that you're running iOS 11 and above. And then you go to background app refresh, and just make sure you have it turned on to either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. Now those will be the 2 settings that you have to check for, and now we are ready to install Snapchat Plus. So how do we get the app? It's super simple. What you guys will do is open up your browser on your iPhone or Android, and you're gonna go to this website, guys, vivahelper.com. So yeah, you're gonna go to this website, vivahelper.com, and basically this website just has basically this website allows you to, get the app. So what we will do is go to search apps here in the top here and just type in Snapchat. Or if you don't want to do it that way, you can exit from there. You can go into, I think, applications, and then you're going to scroll down, and there it is right there, Snapchat Plus. And then we will go ahead and click it, and it will say screenshot without them knowing, increase score, and more. So we're going to click download now, and then it will start to load it, guys. So let's just wait a little bit. Alright, guys, as you can see, it is loading. Give it a little bit more time. And hold on a second. Alright, there we have it, guys. It should load. Well, it's almost done loading. There it is. So it's going to say this website is trying to get a profile. Do you want to allow this? So when you guys see this, you click allow, and then you click close, and then you exit out, and then you open up your settings. And you should see an option there at the top that says like profile downloaded. If you don't see that though, you can just like go to general and then go into profiles, and you'll see it at the top right there. But I'm just going to click it. Snapchat Plus install. And there we have it, guys. Now when you do open up the app up for the first time, you might see like a verification thing that it wants you to do. There will be instructions in there and a tutorial for all of you guys to follow, and you just have to do what it says. It's going to ask you to install like 3 apps from the App Store. I think this is just like finalize the installation, but it's pretty easy and it takes a couple of minutes. But then when you guys are done, the Snapchat Plus will work, And like I said before, you will be able to increase your score. So as you can see, we're able to get free score, guys, with the mod. Like right there, adding Snap Score, and look at that, guys. We are getting free Snapchat score with it. So it actually does work. And if you have any questions, let me know down below, and enjoy it, guys. Peace out.